Payouts, payouts, payouts. What's she talking about? Look at what. It's the same exact fucking thing. What are you talking about, people? People are hilarious on the internet. Power hour, power, power hour. Right now, the NASDAQ down here at the lows. Got a big old looking bear flag here. Big old looking bear flag. What we gonna get? What we gonna get? On the hourly chart right now, look at this thing just sitting down there at the lows currently. We got that pivot point down there, 20,263.75, 263.75, 64, wait, sorry, 260. Right now we're at 360, so about a 100-point move down to get this gap fill down there. Oof. Oof. Daddy. Very tight range going into power hour here. Got this kind of downward trend right now, and obviously getting very, very tight here. Very, very tight price action. Take out this 50 area, see if we can't move on down, break out. I don't want to say I'd be surprised, but I feel like I would be surprised if we go back up here. But I guess we're right in the middle of these two pivot points. That 2044, 440 area acting as resistance there earlier, selling it down. The 21 EMA right now, that little blue line, holding us down. ES is sitting down at the lows. The ES kind of already broke down out of that bear flag, kind of just grinding back down 5,868 there for now. So looking to see what happens here. Power hour. Do we get the break? Look how tight this thing's getting. Either way, we got moves coming. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. You know what to do. Oh, buddy. Testing 50s. We've tested that 50 area all pretty much since 1040. This thing starts selling. Pivot point down there, 260s. 260 pivot point down there. We're stuck at the 21 EMA. Everything's lining up. Just got to take out that 50 area. Yeah, pretty much below this 317, 300 area. 250, 260 down there pretty quickly. So just looking for this continuation. It's got to get through here. Got to get through here. Test, test. Oh, buddy, it's happening. It's moving. Get through 340s there next. Life is simple. Nasdaq just holding up here. Why the heavy breathing? Apologies. I'm out of shape. What can I say? All right, all right, all right, all right. Thing's literally been chopping since I got off the computer there at 10:40 this morning, so. Dustin, you know, I'm out here just trying to entertain, man. Just trying to entertain. If you didn't see it earlier, we ended up on the top step Monday payout. Patrick Wieland, number two for Monday payouts there. Thought it was pretty funny. You got Rips and everybody over there crying. Poor guys. Poor little buddies. But number two yesterday on the Monday payouts. It's funny because Michael T is actually a Twitter follower. This guy right here, Mike Townsend. Big Patrick Wieland fan. You can see the last thing that he reposted was actually Patrick Wieland giveaway. Some other Patrick Wieland stuff. Hey, he's a fan. What can I say? You know, winners win, losers lose. Well, let's go. NASDAQ took the elevators on the way down. Took the elevator. That short this morning from the 20,560s was absolutely insane. We shorted there at the 560s. I think I got like 30, 40, 50 points maybe. And then it just fucking went 200. You gotta love it. What do I think about direction? Well, I mean, the direction is clearly down right now, but we've been putting in lower highs. Lower highs getting very tight here. We're below the 21 EMA. I mean, you'd think we move down here, but really just kind of depends. Got to get through this kind of 40 area. That low of days so far has been protected multiple times. So we take out that low of day there at the 330s, and then that next area down there, pivot point 260s. So told you once, I told you twice. I do not have a Discord. I do not have Telegram. I do not give out signals. I told you twice. NASDAQ pointing down here. She's pointing down. Pointing to the downside right here, right now. Watching to see what happens here at this 40 level. We keep bouncing off this area. We lose this 40 support. Take out this low right here. It's not looking good for the bulls. That 330 area. Patrick, can you teach me how to trade? Yeah, right there. There's a course. $199. Check out the course. $199. Check out the course. The new rules for Apex, I think they start November 1st is what they said. The new rules is no more 10-day pay period, just 8 days of trading, and you can get a payout. No more, I think they're getting rid of the dollar cost average rule or whatever, or just at least updating it so you can still add more than once, just based on strategy, I guess. But some new stuff going on. Jose said, Patrick, let me drive your Lambo. Okay. NASDAQ once again defending that kind of 40 area here. Going into power hour. We got 1 minute till a power hour officially begins. One more hour till power hour officially begins here. We're on the final week here. 3 more days of trading in Hawaii, then it's back to Florida. Back to Florida, back to the Lambo, back to the boats, back to the money, money, money. Are you allowed to use your code more than once? Oh yeah. Use that code all you want, baby. Use it 1,000 times. Hey. All right, NASDAQ losing that low of day now. Let's see if they're going to trap here. Aloha, brother. Disruptive Panda. Breaking to the downside here. Like I said, it got that pivot point down there at the 64s. We'll see if we run down through that 20,300s next. It's funny, they literally did that right at, well, I guess like right there before 3 o'clock. Got that move down here. Like we said, looking for that move through this 50 area. Now moving on down there. That pivot point down there, 20,260s. 20,260s, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it down there. Oh, Lord. Down there to the 20,300s now. What a move. What a move. Standing next to me. Getting that bounce off of that 20,300 level. How was that? What? Well, you feel good though now. Now you look good. You look good though. You look real good, honey. I had to motivate Victoria into going to Pilates this morning. She's like, I'm sore, I'm tired. I'm like, baby, if you ain't sore and you ain't tired, you ain't alive. NASDAQ dipping down there, 20,300s. Got that pivot point down there at the 263s next. Yeah, apologies. I got to update. Right now, Apex is not 80% off. I got to update that bot. Sorry. False advertising. It's only 50% off. There's the break through the 300s now. Still moving down. That 350 break, beautiful here. Going to the downside, that 21 EMA giving us the move. Look at that thing. They said earlier in the chat, said it was only going to go up. They said it's only going to go up, Patrick. Okay, sounds good. Looks like it's going down. Looks like it's going down now, boys. There's that pivot point coming up, 264s. Oh man, buddy. Right down there, the 260s, right to the pivot point now. Like we said, that 50 area, almost a 100-point move since we turned on the live stream here. Let's go, boys and girls. Love to see it. Ross said, still holding the longs. Everything that you've learned with ICT says this must go back up. Uh-oh. 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 That's not good. Wow. What was that? ICT, he's pumping, he's pushing. He's pushing and pushing. He's pushing. He's pushing and pushing. That was a pretty wild little, I don't know if that was like just stops getting ran there or what, but something happening down there. Market just popped up like 40 points on a 2-minute candle there. Back up here into the 300s again. You got that 21 EMA up there at the 330s. It's a little power hour, baby. Getting some action. Need some volatility. Woo-hoo-hoo. When does power hour start? It just started. Once I turn on the fucking live stream, it's power hour, baby. Patrick Wieland's live. The market wakes the fuck up and says, hold my beer. We're going. Making moves. Wilhelm Trader made pretty good money on that move, buying the course, trade the breakout, $1,400. Let's go. Love to see it. Just love to see it, really. You know, you just love to see it. Just good to see, man. It's just good to see. Got that like little bit of a double bottom down there on the 2-minute chart. ICT concepts have been working since 2006. Yes. Bull flags and bear flags have been working since 1991, since 1900s. The bull flags have been working since the 1800s. So go fuck yourself. 2006. What are you smoking? What are you smoking, people? ICT followers. But Patrick, ICT has been making money since 2006. Well, why has he not won the Robbins Cup since 2006? That's I don't know math very good, but that's pretty bad math. Where are we going, NASDAQ? What's next? 240 down there. We bounced. That's kind of like the low from Wednesday last week. Right there. Wednesday of what, last week, right? 237 was the low on that day. And then the overnight low down there at the 200. So 20,200 area. And then that 240 area there. Right now, sitting there at that pivot point. Looking weak here again. forever. That 260 area not looking very safe down there. These two wicks, like the low on that candle, 67.25, 67.20, 67.25, 67.50. So ICT is up 1,200 points today. How did you make 1,200 points today? This is how dumb ICT people are. Literally, the market moved 300 points, but in the chat, they say 1,200. ICT trades an imaginary market. Market just stuck here, looking for more downside. Watching that 270 area for another short opportunity here. If we start to sell through this pivot. Patrick, how much is your course? It's $199. There's a link right there. $199. Got the 21 EMA up there at the 311s. They're trying to keep it alive here, but sellers just selling. Flirting with that push back above the 300s again. See if we get back. Test that 21 EMA one more time here. See what happens to that 21 EMA. Both the ES and the NASDAQ finding some support down here at these levels for now. Getting right through that 21 EMA now. Now let's see what happens here at the 21 EMA. We turn that into resistance. $15-minute chart retracing that 15-minute candle. That high, that 30 area. Possible little push. We get through this 20 area. I think we right back up there towards that 50 area one more time. Like could get a little breakout like through this. The fact that we did not make a new low right here gets me a little worried, but and then now I think if we get back below this 90 area, then continue this downtrend. But they're just kind of like popping it up right to this 21 EMA for now. Kind of like want to see what happens. Right now, that 21 EMA acting as resistance there. Will they continue to kind of grind this back up here? Going into the end of day power hour. NASDAQ primed and ready here. Power hour, baby. Can we get some momentum? Let's get a 100-point move here. A 100-point move before the market close. Come on, rip it back up here to the 440s. Let us jump in for some action here, NASDAQ. Do something. From the 340s to the 440s. Let's just do it. You know, that'd be fun. Wouldn't it be fun end of day here? Right now, stuck there at the pivot point. I mean, sorry, stuck there at the 12 EMA, 21 EMA. God, 21 EMA, people. I'm stuck. The NASDAQ's stuck. We're all stuck. ES looking like it's in trouble here. Kind of holding on there. It is currently 3:30 in the afternoon here. Power hour. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow up the like button for me. Help me help you. Right now, stuck here at the 21 EMA. That pivot point down there at the 260s. Bear flag in here, breaking to the downside. Through the 290s now. Not looking good for this pivot point, about to get taken out. Yo, the is on fire. At the lows once again here at the 270s. That 8,845 area there on the ES. That's yesterday's low. Kind of putting the NASDAQ down here as well. Got yesterday's low all the way down there at the 240 area, 238s right now. NASDAQ back to that pivot point. Nasdaq bleeding out. Bouncing around at that pivot point one more time. Just holding on down there at the 260s again. The remix is Cream, K-R-E-A-M, Liquid Lab. Check it out, Liquid Lab. K-R-E-M, Liquid Lab Cream, people. Everybody freaking out in the chat. Sorry. Sorry. I apologize. And somebody like you. Somebody like you. Oh, Nasdaq back up there to the 21 EMA again. $15-minute candle looking like a reversal here off the lows right now. Just got to get through that 21 and then 320s up there next. The ES finding some strength. Nasdaq finding some strength here. End of day power hour, baby. Somebody like you. With you. Nasdaq right back up there. Look at this thing go. Right off that fucking pivot point, boys. Right off the goddamn pivot point. Right off that pivot point, boys. We got 7 minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in here. Ooh. I mean, I think as long as we kind of stay above the 21 EMA, we squeeze up here end of day, but just kind of chopping around here down at the lows. Richard V got funded today. PW, let's go. 64 was the pivot point right there. Holding up, so. We got 5 minutes until the 350 algorithm kicks in. We'll see what happens on that end of day move. Liquidate some bears here. Everybody in the chat, a lot of bears in the chat right now. That makes me a little worried. A lot of bears in the chat. A lot of bears in the chat right now. Uh-oh. Buyers. Uh-oh, buyers. Just holding up there at the 21 EMA for now. Will it push that 320 area? Get through that 320. It'll rip up there right to the probably 360s pretty quickly. So just got to wait to see what happens here at the 350 algorithm coming up. 350 algorithm coming up here, people. I mean, the 350 algorithm is literally the MOC, market order on close. It happens every day. It has nothing to do with ICT. So it has nothing to do with ICT. It's literally just MOC, end of day, 350 every day. The market moves, volatile, more injection of liquidity, people closing out orders. That's all it is. It has nothing to do with fucking ICT, people. It has been 350, has literally been 350 end of day since the fucking dawn of time. Got a little less than 2 minutes here until the 350 algorithm. Watch that 320 area here. Wood chip. Notice Patrick takes no trades. You're right. I'm not here to trade. We're here just to look at the numbers on the chart. Tick, 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 tick. I don't make no money. Nasdaq pushing up there to the 320s now. End of day, here we go. We got 30 seconds till the algorithm kicks in.
Stop. Bring the beat back.
10, 9, 8, 6, 5. Trying to break through the 320s, a little bit of volatility there. Got to break 320s like right now, right here. The trouble, the bears are in, the bulls are in trouble if we don't break. $320s. $320s. $320s breaking. Need more power. More power for the power hour. No power to get through the 320s here. Well, that's no fun. I was hoping for like a 50-point move to the upside there. Just whee!
odds with me higher.
Oh no. The microphone making everyone's ears bleed. I'll play the ICT remix if we get 500 likes here on the stream. Vertigo Man, the hottest song on the internet today. There we go, NASDAQ. Come on, push it. Let's get through here. The ES and NASDAQ both trying to get through this 20 level. Well, NASDAQ trying to get through this 20. And then the ES, they're at the 61s. Pushing. Did that make it do the thing again? Did that make it do it again? Oh God. Vertigo Man. Here we go. Don't you worry. Guys, I think I figured it out. It's not that loud. That's the only problem. It's not that loud.
He's a retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused. Insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. And I sat there, pushed. And I fucking laid pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Push. And I pushed. Well, it's not very loud. It got to be louder. It's not loud enough.
Push.
Oh my gosh. Little bit. I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that.
My girlfriend makes more money than ICT. That's a good one. Big drop down. So you can see here, for the people in the chat that say that I never trade, well, it would look like my performance report would have to disagree with you. Today, in this account, almost up $12,000, $11,600 after commissions. 96% win rate today, 95%. I'll take it. We had one very small loser. I think it was like a break-even trade. But in general, there it is. Also, if you're just now tuning in, you didn't see the news. We had big news today. I don't know if it was big news, but we had news. Patrick Wieland on the Monday's payout. Look at these guys. Why are they all looking so sad? Why they all look so sad? I'd be sad too.
Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you.
My favorite up here, Michael in his fucking grandpa sweater. And then Andre down below. Andre actually had the balls to say something today on the stream. The guy, I don't think a guy has ever even got one payout. I don't know. Well, he clearly hasn't gotten a payout. I don't think he's ever actually done anything successful other than just be Michael Patak's best friend. So, well, I don't know if that's an accomplishment or not, but I have no idea. When I used to work with Top Step, I had no. Andre came out of nowhere. He was just like Michael's buddy. Like, hey, do you want to run our Top Step TV show? We know that you have no idea how to fucking trade, but don't worry. We don't actually want people to make money. Our goal is not for them to make money because we want them to lose so we can make the money. So we put the idiots on the live stream. They teach people how to day trade, and then we lose together. Think about it. If your whole entire business is based on the idea of people losing money, do you really, really deep down want people to make money? Do you? Do you? You know? Do you? Do you? You know? Do you? That'd be like saying that. That'd be like fucking. Imagine if a casino in Vegas started a live stream, and the live stream, you know, that the live stream was like, you know, a casino live stream, and the casino was like, hey everybody, today we're here in the casino. We're gonna play some blackjack. Help watch us play together. All right, so there was that little pop-up. We had the push through that 20 area up to the 45s for that push, and we are about a minute away from close. So we are locking in profits. We're getting payouts. We got the Apex payouts approved today. We got $22,000 in payouts approved. We got the $25,000 after the split, $23,000 from Top Step this week. That's up to 43. We also got the fast track accounts. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then today being the 10th day, I'll be able to request a $60,000 payout. If my math is correct, and I'm not very good at math, but if I put on my hater blockers and I think about it, so let's just think about it. You know, I might not be very good at math, but if I put it together, 23,000 plus 22,000 plus 60,000. Yeah, that's about $100,000 motherfucking dollars in payouts this week alone. Haters gotta hate. Winner's gonna win. Make sure you tune into the #1 day trading channel on YouTube. Stop fucking around with the best. If you do, get here. Breaking it down once again. Look at this move. Would you just look at it? The 15-minute chart this morning. We had the 15-minute range. This is a textbook Patrick Wieland motherfucking breakdown right here, guys. The course is $200. Well, I'm up $100,000 in a week. Right? $100,000 in a week. How much are you up in a week? October, let's go. All right? You can see the 15-minute opening range. Get rid of all the other bullshit. You don't even need the indicators. Get rid of them. Bang. All of it's gone. Well, look at that. The 15-minute range, breaking the 15-minute range there from the 20,600s all the way down there to the 352s. That's, again, I'm not the best at math, but I think that's around 250 points to the downside there on the 15-minute chart, and all of it playing out. So somebody said 37% taxes. Don't worry. I have an accountant, and I will not be paying 37%. I'll be buying a Lambo, and I'll be writing that off for my taxes. So welcome to America, baby. Hey, open a business, get tax write-offs, get smart, don't be dum-dums. Buy a Lambo, write it off. You can't actually. Most people can't write off Lambos, but luckily for me, the Lambos are required for my business, you know, for the marketing. I need the Lambos to be able to make more money. So, can you buy a new mic? Yes. Don't worry, I'll buy a new mic. We'll be back in Florida with a good mic the end of next week. So, looking forward to that. We got lots to do. You can't deduct luxury vehicles. Sure you can't. But what if the luxury vehicle is how you market yourself? Oh, you can. It would be like if I bought a billboard. If I paid for a billboard, right? The Lambo is literally a billboard. I have a new microphone here, but it doesn't work on my computer. So Well, I got a better microphone back at home anyway, so whatever. We'll be back in Florida on Monday of next week, but right now, just sitting back here looking at all these payouts, man. Oof. 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 All right. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, make sure you blow it up. Ain't nobody got the exclusive on the Vertigo Man. I'll just leave you with that. I'll just leave you with the Vertigo Man.
He's a retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make.
Oh, fuck. I got to go to a meeting. I got to go to a meeting, actually.
But I think he's confused.
I got to go to a meeting. I'll talk to you all later on. Peace to the Middle East. I forgot it's 4 o'clock. I got to go. I got to go.
You tell me.
Peace.